In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable tab search in Microsoft Edge in just a few quick steps. If you ever see that tab search button and want to turn it off for a cleaner browser experience, this tutorial will walk you through exactly where to find the setting and how to switch it off. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once the browser is open, look to the top right corner and click the three-dot menu. This opens the main Edge menu where you can access all of the browser settings. From the menu, click Settings. This will take you to the Edge settings page, where you can customize the browser to fit the way you want it to look and work. On the left-hand side, find and click Appearance. The Appearance section controls the visual layout of Edge, including things like the toolbar, sidebar, and tab-related options. Next, scroll or look through the appearance settings until you find the tabs section. This is where Edge keeps the options for how tabs behave and what extra tab features are shown in the browser. Inside the tabs section, you'll see an option called Show Tab Search. This is the setting that enables the tab search button in Microsoft Edge. To disable it, simply toggle Show Tab Search off. As soon as you turn this off, the tab search feature will no longer appear, giving your browser a more minimal look. That's all there is to it. You've now successfully disabled tab search in Edge. It only takes a moment, but it can make your browser feel less cluttered and easier to use if you don't need that extra tab button. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.